set camera yẹn kẹ́ lọ jókòó. Ẹ set camera yẹn kẹ́ lọ jókòó. Ṣé gbọ́ sà? Ẹ set camera yín. Your Excellency, our governor, Ọlọ́run á bá wa dì yín mú. Ẹ ṣàmì. Mo ní kẹ́ ẹ ṣàmì. Orí bẹ́yìn ò ṣàmì, Ọlọ́run á gbéyàn dìde á tún ṣàmì. Ọlọ́run á bá wa di gómìnà yín mú. Ó ṣàmì bó ṣàmì ó ti wọlé already, kò sí pé ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan mọ́. Kábíyèsí, mi ò fẹ́ waste time torí pé tí n bá ní kémi náà máa ṣe protocol máa tún fẹ́ máa bá gómìnà dupò nìyẹn. Ó dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín for the privilege God has given me today. Kábíyèsí mi, aláfa o, wàá jẹ́ pé o, mi lẹ́yìn rẹ, ìlú lẹ́yìn rẹ, adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rẹ o. Ẹ ṣé gan ni gómìnà ló ní dandan pé gbọ́dọ̀ wà ń bí. Wọ́n dẹ̀ pè mí páláfà ò gbọ́dọ̀ wà ń bí. Kò sàpọ́nlé tó jù yẹn lọ sà. My brother from Ẹ̀rẹ́pọ̀dùn, leader wa lẹ́yìn leader, Táíwò Ọlátúbọ̀sún, I don't know why you are here. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. O ṣe dáadáa nùbò yẹn. O provide the leadership. Ó ti yẹ 100% ni mo fún ẹ. Jókòó. Nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ gbogbo nínú ìjọba ẹ̀yà àtàbújá Ọlọ́run á wá fún ẹ. Mọ́tò bá ti mọ ọwọ́ bẹ̀ abàgbà jẹun ni. Excellency, tí mi ò bá nílé sòótọ́ mi ò ní wá bẹ̀. Aṣíwájú pè mí ó bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ títí pé kí n wá sí APC. Mo ní mi wá. Ìdí mo sọ ti tọ́dún márùn-ún báyìí. Nígbà tí Fáyemí fẹ́ ṣe governor, the president called me that I should come. I said I'm not coming. When Buhari was there, he told me I should come. I said I'm not coming. He said he would take me there. I said I'm not going. They took me to the office of the then National Security ọkùnrin tó wá láti Daura, Buzo. They talked to me. I said I'm not going to work with Buhari. I'm very clear. They said they will leave the state for me. Don't leave it. If they have left the state for me, ẹni tí mo gbé yẹn iṣẹ́ bí ni ìbá ṣe sí mi. Mi ò mọ̀ pé wọ́n á bí ẹni ilé ìgbà létà. Mi ò mọ̀ pé wọ́n á bí ẹni létà. Torí a máa ń tọrọ nǹkan lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run ò bá ti fún ẹ, má fagídí wá. Aṣíwájú told me go and press the stomach of the people you are picking. Ó ní Aṣíwájú mo ti gbé yan. Whichever way, I wasn't happy that the state was taken from me. I wasn't happy at all. I fought. I was equally injured. All the problem I had with my spine was as a result of that election. But today, God who sees tomorrow has produced you for me. Sometimes we think what you want is what is right. There is a way that seemeth right unto a man. The end thereof is destruction. Sometimes those who will pay you are not born. They are not equally looking at your side. Ẹ̀sùnmọ̀ yìí díẹ̀ jẹ́ gómìnà rí. Wọ́n try. Abẹ́ try. Èèyàn mi gidigidi. Ọlọ́run á bá mi ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Because without people like you, it will not be easy for me to be where we are. Àwọn tá a gbé ṣáájú wọn, Ọlọ́run kò ṣọ́ ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Not knowing my brother from another mother, the Igbo called such people one need the number. My brother from another mother will come one day and pay dues that you never imagine you can get. Your coming and ascension is a different dimension and a way forward to our state. I never had a peaceful government. Over dárúkọ àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan wọn jẹ́ kí state yìí ṣe lálàáfíà. Wọ́n ṣe ń kọ̀wé oríṣiríṣi náà ń tẹ̀rọ bá irọ́ náà ń parọ́ fo. Ọdún méje àbọ̀ ni mo fi ṣèjọba, ọdún mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún ni mo fi jẹ́jọ́. I was governor for 7.5 years. I never had peace. The state was governed in turmoil, confusion. They always write petition. Problem, they will go to the front paper. Fayose has no certificate. Fayose has stolen projects, has stolen poultry. Characters. But we leave them to God. Which opportunity would they be able to come to the presence of Ekiti people like this? They are Ekitis in diaspora. They have no value to our state. God will bless you. I'm not there to say thank you for naming after me. No. I'm not thanking you. You are naming after yourself. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. Whether you like Fayose, you don't like Fayose, that's your problem. I've done my own. I've left. But payback time for every action, inaction and action. You will get a payback time. The last set of governors up until Fayemi that left, we were daggers at each other's neck every day. When I built that house, the body of Governor Fayemi's deputy was just lying on the field. I was PDP, they were APC or party. But I found it inappropriate for such a great woman not to be recognized. Because party is a vehicle. That is what you are doing. And I took steps to build that house. To my amazement, when we were to commission it, they told the husband of the woman not to come. I went to the woman's house. I said, this is an hour of honor for your wife. After that, they didn't let her come. He told me he would come. I called him. He wasn't picking his call again because of bad politics. Can I take away that house? Can I take away the honor? It belongs to Ekiti eternally. This young man, Aburo Mini, Gominoni, but Aburo Mini, has proved all of us wrong. That in the atmosphere of cooperation, peace, the state will grow. I'm not indicting any governor. This state has grown within a short time. This state, exactly 30 years. I was not part of it. I didn't know I would be governor. I was not a politician. But today, Ekiti has the best road among our peers in the neighborhood. Ondo Airport was built by the federal government. Kwara Airport was built by the federal government. Our people, our governors, our elders built Ekiti Airport. I'm proudly an Ekiti man. I thank all of you for staying by and standing by all of us. We have all worked, all the governors, whatever you say. Our style may be different. I will never be a coward. When I want to say my mind, I bear it. When you told me, when you came into office, I was not part of your ascension. But you told me, Oga, you came to my house. Oga, tebale do ti mi, iṣẹ́ ya rọrùn. Ṣé wo rọrùn báyìí? Iṣẹ́ rọrùn. Gbogbo wa là ń jàǹfààní ẹ̀ báyìí. Báwo rí ẹni tí ò jẹ́ kó lọ wájú? When you talk about Ṣẹ́gun Òní, mo ní wàá lọ ilé ẹ̀ ní o. Olóògbé ẹ lọ Supreme Court. Mo ní ta ló win? Ìwọ. Ta ni leader? Ìwọ. Ilé ẹ̀ ní kó máa lọ. And today Ṣẹ́gun Òní is part of this progress. Ṣẹ́gun Òní is contributing. Oh, watch your baby, yes. But we salute him. He's our leader. Eba mi ma tọ́jú ẹ sà. Ẹ ṣètò. Àwa ẹ báyìí. Kábíyèsí. Ẹ pẹ́ o. Aba yín jà. Ìjà yẹn ò ṣe jà. Àyà òṣèjà somebody ìlú jà ní. Èwe ò lè ṣé èwe kọ́ ló di gbogbo nǹkan tó wà nílùú ẹ̀? Òun ló di. Ìgbàlà wa ń lò bí o. Sáà là ń lò. Your tenure has started counting. Tá bá ti bọ́ sí October 17 báyìí. Ó ń lọ ní o. Ṣé ní kẹ́ múra sí o? You have done well. You have done very well. Second term yìí má ní ìgbàgbé ní korúkọ ẹ jẹ́ o. Àwọn ìlú kéréje ká dáná bó bẹ̀. Ká da iná ká dáná bó bẹ̀. Abẹ́ẹ̀sì ẹkú jòkó. Ọlọ́run á bá mi ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Mi ò fẹ́ padà sẹ́yìn. Nígbà tí bàbá Àjàkáyé wà láyé, when Baba Àjàkáyé was alive, he commissioned the High Court. Yeah. I named the Jifason's name was the drive-in because I opened that first governor's office to that road, and I named it after the Jifason. It's alive. Lady Jibo, first female graduate. Oshutoku. Even Oja Oba Ewi, I named it after Kabisi's stool. The reason is that whatever you sow is what you will reap. Mo ń gbà tèmi sọ́wọ́ báyìí, reap ni mo reap báyìí. Tí n bá ti dàgbà, mo ti sọ fáwọn ọmọ mi ibi tí wọ́n á sìnkú mi sí. Kẹ́nikẹ́ni má wà mí wá o. Tí n bá ti lọ, Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kẹ́mi mi gùn, mo ti lọ nìyẹn. Tó o bá fẹ́ pọ́n mi lé lójú ẹ̀mí mi. Abẹ́ fún mi lóúnjẹ kó fún mi lójú ẹ̀mí mi. Ẹni tó bá wọ́ síbi tó bá sìnkú mi sí máa fún lẹ́gbàá ni. Yes. Ẹ ṣe gómìnà ibi tí mò ń lọ lélẹ́yìn títì tó la bí ìkọjá yìí èmi ni mo gbà mọ́ ara government house kì í ṣe ara government house èmi ni mo close bí yìí èmi ni mo ra gbogbo ilé tó wà lẹ́yìn yẹn padà fúnjọba. We are currently having the best government house infrastructure in Nigeria. Despite our limited resources. Ìgbà tèmi ìjọba rọrùn owó òsì wọ́n bá tó dúró àwọn fún mi lọ́rùn ni àti san salary dógún. You are paying today because of Mr. President. I encourage you to continue to appreciate that man. Èkìtì lẹ́ni tí ò jẹ́ ní kú òun ló ṣàgbà ẹni tó jẹ́ kó là. I don't have a regret supporting you. I don't care what anybody says in the social media. Bo bú mi máa bú tèmi. But there is a pastor who be ọ̀rẹ́ mi wíkẹ́ ṣe sọ. I'm not a pastor. If you abuse me, I will abuse you. If you help me, I will help you. You fight me, I fight you. You job alone, you die alone. Mi ò fẹ́ waste time yìí, mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ènìyàn kan, àwọn ènìyàn jàǹkànjàǹkàn kan, particularly àwọn mánigbàgbé wọ́n wà láyé nísìnyí. Ọlọ́run á fàgbà rọ̀ wọ́n lọ́rùn. They have made Ekiti proud. Chief Afe Babalola must never be forgotten in our history. Òun ló kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ airport ṣáá tó gbóyìnbó wá sọ̀dọ̀ mi pò mà ti rówó ṣe airport. Dada òde lè jà ó ti láàbúrò tó gbójú. Ọlọ́run á ràn yín lọ́wọ́. You have done well. So far so good for our state. Let me tell you, Mr. Governor, ìyókù máa sọ lọ́fíìsì yín. Máa sọ ìyókù, but I want to say this here. Èmi o, mi ò kí àǹkọ́ tẹ́ anybody sọ ẹ record mi dáadáa o. We have served these states, and we must be so taken care of. Priority must be for former governors and leaders that have paid their dues. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ló ń gbàdúrà fún wa ní kọ̀rọ̀. They deserve recognition publicly. Èmi o, I am now close to 70 than 60. I deserve to be taken care of. It is rumored all over the state. Particularly, they say I was the contractor for flyover. I don't care. I wasn't the contractor, and I will never be a contractor. Time has gone for that. But Your Excellency, Now it's when I need good medical care. It is now that I need to travel abroad. It is now that I need to enjoy. Your Excellency, I am speaking my mind and from the bottom of my mind. Mi ò fẹ́ dájú bí ara o, mo fẹ́ kó máa tọ́jú mi. Tó o bá ti lọ nísìn ọdún mẹ́rin ni o máa ti pé 70 o. Mo bá lágbára mi á kú o. My strength will be limited. Let me enjoy now. Ibi tójú kòkòrò èèyàn bá sọ sí ibẹ̀ ló ti ń ká o. I have paid my dues. I did not support you under the table. I came out. All your enemies will tell you one party. I don't care. Torí pé tá a bá ṣe yẹn sà, Sátánì kì í fi yan lẹ́bọ̀rọ̀. Èmi tí mo wà ń bí, máàndì mi ni mo sọ yó. Gbogbo former governor láti ọ̀dọ̀ senior prefect wa governor Adébáyọ̀ ẹjọ́ sà ẹ̀tú ètò tó. Wọ́n bá bọ́ sínú báyìí, àwọn former governors ló ń jayé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ajẹ́ o.